I'm Daniel Wilk, head of private equity solutions at Future Standard, where we've spent the last 30 years building relationships with more than 300 private equity sponsors and deploying over $60 billion of capital specifically into the U.S. middle market. We specialize in helping investors access the value creation strategies that help middle market companies reach their next stage of growth, expanding operations, professionalizing management, and scaling legacies that have been built over generations. Why? Because this is where the real story of private equity lives. When you strip away the headlines and the multi-billion-dollar take-privates, you find the companies that have been quietly building America for decades. These are founder-led, 40-year-old businesses that want to grow and evolve, but don't want to lose what made them special in the first place. And that's why the right outside equity partner matters. The middle market is the sweet spot for private equity today. Small enough to scale through true operational value creation, yet large enough to attract strategic and corporate buyers at exit. With more attractive entry prices, less leverage, bigger equity checks, and greater exit optionality, the fundamentals all point in one direction. The middle market is where value creation still drives returns. And for investors, it fills a critical gap in their portfolio. The 200,000 middle market companies across the United States employ over 48 million Americans and generate double-digit revenue growth. If you carve them out, they would be the third largest economy in the world. For many investors, their story began the exact same way, by building something real, by owning and operating a private company themselves. And at Future Standard, we give our clients access to the very same kinds of companies that help them build their own success, only now through scale and institutional precision. This is where ownership meets opportunity. We look forward to continuing our partnership to help you and your clients access this segment.